Hey, it's Matt, and it's finally nice enough in Texas to shoot some video. And so what we wanted to do today is get you started with what we would call a sequence starter. Now, what is this? Let's say that you're working on your exhibition routine, and maybe you have writer's block. Maybe you're trying to figure something out, nothing's coming to you. The idea here is that we give you a handful of counts to get you started, and you figure out what to do from there. So you're going to learn some simple counts and then try to build on that. And every time that we do one of these, there's going to be a skill embedded in that sequence starter that should help you kind of get the creative juices flowing, maybe think about how to modify, adapt, or create sequences for your routines. And so there's always kind of a skill embedded into the sequence starter that hopefully will get you to that next level. So let's hop right in. These are very basic. If you have a familiarity with exhibition drill, you should be good to go. If not, make sure you check out drillpedia.net. On the Drillpedia article for this video, we will link down below the skills that you probably need to know in order to perform this to the best level. But it should be very simple if you've never done it before, and if you're watching this somewhere else, should be real easy to do. So let's get right into it. Here is the sequence starter that we're going to break down. As you can see, we got a variety of things going on. The skill that we're working on here today is kind of coordinating the body and the feet to be part of the sequence with the rifle. And so let's break this down kind of count by count. So starts off real simple. We have a center flash. With that flash, at the same time that we bring that rifle up, we're going to allow the foot to float upwards in preparation for the horse stomp to come down on count 2. So we have float, and on count 2, that horse stomp comes down. Now, if you do not know how to perform a horse stomp properly, make sure you check out drillpedia.net. Look for horse stomps in the search bar. And that will tell you how to do that one properly. Make sure that you check that out. From here, we have 1, 2. On the third count, we're coming back to port. We're bringing our feet back in. And on the next count, we're going to drop down as if we are about to start kind of a box sequence. From here, though, instead of doing a traditional box, we're going to modify it, and we're going to take that box, instead of being in the center of our body with the sling to our right, we're going to pass it to the side of our body so that we're in front of the right shoulder with the sling out. So we have down, up. On the next count, we're going to grab with the left hand, balance point 1 right in the center of the rifle. At the same time that we grab, once again, we're going to float that foot up for another horse stomp. And on the last count, we're going to let that horse stomp come down. So nice and slow, we have flash, float, stomp, port, down, up, flash, float, stomp, right? When we perform this sequence, the idea is that we maintain the rhythmic accuracy between the feet and the rifle. We don't want to let that delay. We want to make sure we time that float so that the stomps come down right in time, rhythmically accurate to the rest of the sequence. So that's our sequence starter for today. Now your job is to learn it, to add to it, and hopefully to post it, put it out there, put it in your routine, or send it over our way. We would love to see what you come up with. So get creating, and happy drilling.